What's going on, guys? Here it is. The wire that came with one of the TV power cables. How to unlock your TV and get all these channels with just this. So you're going to want to strip this, put it on the antenna port. As you can see right there, we're not getting channels. It's saying antenna cable. So, and it's disconnected. So, watch this. Stripped. You can see there's our coax port right there. Installed. We're going to go into our settings. All settings. As you can see, we're on channel 3. Nothing's coming in. Then we'll go to broadcasting, auto program, start. Make sure we choose air. If you use cable, it will not work. You can try both, but you're gonna be wasting your time. If you live in a living like an old folks home, do cable or both. So now this is going to run. I'm gonna pause it and let it run. Actually, you know what? Let's just see what it does real time. Usually once the 30% gets about 50 to 60%, that's when we start getting channels to populate. We got 4 channels. And every area is different. This is not a guarantee for all. Unlocking all these channels and getting as many channels as I'm getting here. It's all relative to your location, to obstructions, which this TV is actually outside, so we should get a good amount of channels. Again, also how close we are to towers. So now when I go back out, we're up and running. You're going to get the 2, 2-2, 2-3, 4. We got 5. And some of these actually are going to be the next gen, which is going to be the 4K. So you can see how great quality this looks. Anyway, watching, guys. If you didn't know, now you know.